back to my channel. In today's look, I created this fun, really bright look using the new Kylie x Kourtney collaboration by Kylie Cosmetics. I bought this collection because when I saw this color on Kylie and Kourtney when they first came out with this collection, in their pictures, I was like, I need to get my hands on that color. Also get excited because you guys voted this as my next giveaway, so I'm bringing it to you. If you're interested in seeing how to enter, please stick around to the end of this video and let's get started with the tutorial. So first I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium, and I'm just going to use this to clean up around my eyebrows because I already filled them in. And I'm also going to take it down to my lids and use it as a primer as well. Here I'm just blending everything out with my beauty blender, making sure everything is smooth and ready for eyeshadow. Now I'm taking my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Medium Golden and I'm just setting the concealer. Starting off with the pink palette from the collection, I'm going to use the shade called The Queen and I'm going to use it as my first transition shade. Now taking the blue palette, I'm taking the shade Calabasas and I'm going to just put that right below the first transition shade that we used. Next, I'm going to the green palette and taking the shade Mace, which is the reddish pink shade. And it's one of my most favorite colors from the collection. And I'm just using a MAC shading brush in the number 242 and I'm going to pack that right on my lid. For eyeliner, I'm taking my Master Precise Liquid Liner by Maybelline in black, and of course, as usual, I'm going to create my winged liner. I'm also just going to fine tune the shadow just a little bit, so I'm doing that by adding more of that pink shade in Mace, and also slightly blending out any of the harsh edges. Now I'm just curling my lashes to prep them for mascara. For mascara, I'm using my Full and Soft by Maybelline. For lashes, I'm going to take these ones that I got from Zaful.com, and I'm also going to use some Ardell individual lashes to customize them and make them thicker. Also, I'm using my Duo Brush-on Adhesive glue as usual, and here I'm just pinching the falsies to my real lashes to make them look as natural as possible. Now for the individual lashes, I'm just basically layering them on top of the first falsies that I put, and I'm customizing them to the thickness that I want. For primer, I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime. And I'm also going to take MAC Strobe Cream in Goldlite, and I'm just going to put that on all the areas that I am going to put my highlights. For foundation, I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC40. So usually first I like to kind of disperse the product with a compact stippling brush. And then once I have the first layer on my face, I blend it out with a beauty blender, which is what I'm doing here. And then I'm also add some product only to the areas that I feel like needs a little bit more coverage. And again, blending everything out with a beauty blender. For concealer, I'm mixing the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium with the KKW Beauty Concealer in number 6. And of course, I'm going to blend all that concealer out using my handy dandy beauty blender. And I do like to take my time with this part, so just blend until everything is smooth. To set my concealer, I'm going to mix my Fit Me Loose Powder in 20 with my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. So lately I've been really into doing cream contour, so I'm taking my NYX Wonder Stick in Deep and I'm going to go ahead and contour my face. And to blend that contour out, I'm using a really light hand and I'm blending it out using my Real Techniques stippling brush. And when I blend out the contour on my lips and my nose, I like to do it using my beauty blender since those are harder to reach areas and need a little bit more detailed blending. To bronze, I'm using my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in Dark Tan, and this is also going to set that cream contour. To set my entire face, I'm taking another MAC Mineralize Skinfinish, this time in medium golden. Now taking Calabasas from the blue palette, I'm going to just go back to the eyes and we're going to go ahead and smoke out the bottom lash line. Next we're taking Mace and we're going to do the exact same thing on the lower lash line, but this time getting as close to the bottom lashes as possible. Now taking Gluten Free from the pink palette, I'm going to use this as inner corner highlight. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and put mascara on my lower lash line. And I'm also going to take this Maybelline Long Lasting Gel Pencil and I'm going to go ahead and line my upper waterline just to create fuller lashes. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and add some more liquid liner to the top winged liner just to hide the eyelash glue as much as possible. Now I'm taking this MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in Cheeky Bronze and I'm going to put this on the apples of my cheeks and also work it towards the back a little bit as well. For highlight, I'm mixing Diamond and Gluten Free from the pink palette and I'm going to put that on the high points of my face. To set my brows, I'm taking the EYLURE Brow Gel in Clear. I'm also going to go back into my ABH Dip Brow in dark brown and just do some final touches to my eyebrows. For lips, I'm going to go ahead and line them first with this NYX lip liner in Hot Red. Now I'm taking the Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Minnie. And here I'm just going back in with the NYX Hot Red lip liner and giving my lips a little bit more dimension. And to complete the look, I'm spraying my entire face with MAC Fix Plus. So this is a completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm actually doing another giveaway, and this time you guys voted for this giveaway. I did a poll on my Instagram and I asked you guys if you wanted the Kylie x Kourtney collection to be my next giveaway, and most of you guys answered yes, so I'm bringing it to you guys now. So if you want to join, it's the same rules as always. You have to be subscribed to my YouTube and also follow me on my IG at Jules_Fowler, and go ahead and tag a friend on the post associated with this video. That's all you have to do and you're automatically entered. So good luck again, everyone, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. BTS, BTS. I just know how to dab. Can someone teach me how to dolly wop? For highlight, I'm gonna go back into this, and I'm gonna so much fallout up in there. Damn. Wow, that glow. I'm loving it. Ooh, girl. That's Kylie for you. She did good on that one. Dude, I'm sweating. Wait, you know what I should do? I need to curl these damn lashes so they look super poppin'. Yep, knew it. Hi, I'm Jules. What is this? Okay, no. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You also voted for me to do this for my next giveaway, so stick around till the end to see what I have cooking for you good looking. No, I'm just kidding. That's so cheesy. What is wrong with me?